Today we're going to talk about stress and clutter. If you have stress, I bet you have clutter. I bet you're not following a plan, and I bet you're not doing what I say to do every day. Today I want you to commit to do what I say to do. I am not saying this, I'll sound like your mama now, I'm not saying this for my own benefit. It has nothing to do with me. I'm not in your home. I'm doing this for you. I want you to have a home that is stress-free, that is streamlined, that you know where things can be found, where you feel like you're in control and you feel like you can love yourself. You can't get there if you're going to recreate the wheel. So today, just today, do what I say to do. And then tomorrow we'll do it again, okay? So today we're going to all get up this morning 30 minutes before the one that requires the most care from you, usually a baby or the youngest, before that one gets up. So 30 minutes before to do your morning routine. It does not involve a shower. If you're showering in the morning, add 15 minutes. If you're showering and washing your hair this morning, add 30 minutes, okay? Because the morning routine isn't just you taking care of yourself in the bathroom. It's also swishing and swiping. It's emptying the dishwasher. It's getting dressed. It's making the bed. Now, you can't make the bed with your husband in it, so you're going to go back later and make it if he's not in it, when he's not in it, okay? But you're going to be doing your morning routines. Then you're going to go into the laundry room and start your laundry, which takes a couple of minutes. You're going to go through 1 inch of your paper. Remember to put 6 inches out if you have paper clutter. Pull off 1 inch and take a few minutes to go through it. It's not going to take long. You're going to go through that. Most of it's trash, and any actionable item is going to go in your inbox. All right? All right, so after you've done that, you're going to wake up the family. You're going to make them breakfast. You're going to eat breakfast with them. You need to fuel yourself. And you need that, the children need their mother sitting with them at breakfast. Their daddy too would be nice. Okay? And then clean up the kitchen when you're done. And if you still have kids in school, send them off to school. Either take them to school, daddy takes them to school, or whatever. But they're going to, or they're riding the bus, or they're riding their bike, or they're walking, they're going off to school. If you have homeschoolers that you're going to homeschool and you're still homeschooling, stop for just a minute. Payroll. If you need to go to work, please go to work. I'm so happy that you put your clothes on and you put your makeup on before you got in the car. No more of this at the red light. That's so dangerous, and it's stressful, and we're relieving stress. So you get in the car totally ready for work with your lunch if you needed it, and you can listen to something nice on the radio on the way to work and not worry about the crazies who are speeding around you because they're running late. You just stay in your lane and do your thing, and don't be worried, okay? All right, having worked 40 years, I'm telling you from experience. Have a great day. It's a Monday. Do a wonderful job this week. You're going to feel really good about yourself. Actually, it's a Tuesday. Feel really good about yourself. I know you worked hard yesterday. Continue today. You can do it. Okay. At-home homemakers. If you had to take somebody somewhere to school, then when you come home, you're going to do your 15-minute zone work. Now, we are in zone 3, which is the hall bathroom, upstairs if you have one, or downstairs between the kids' rooms. It's that bathroom and one other room, okay, and or one other room. So we're going to declutter. I asked you yesterday to clean the bathtub or the shower in that bathroom. If you didn't, and you did something else, today do that. That tub needs to be cleaned once a month if people are using it. Now, if people aren't using it, I don't care if you dust it. If it's not being used, you don't need to worry about it. But if it's being used, it needs to be cleaned, or the shower once a month. Okay? And you can delegate that. That's something that can easily be delegated. But it's a 15-minute job. If you've already done that, then you're going to be working either in the bathroom to continue to declutter or in your chosen other room. The laundry room, the guest room, the baby's room, the craft room, the sewing room, the office, the sunroom. I can come up with 1 million of them. You probably don't have 1 million of them, but you have a couple. Pick one and stay focused on that every time we're in zone 3 until all the clutter is picked up in that room and put away and gone through. Once it's decluttered, you're going to go to your next other room, and at some point, all the other rooms, including the bathroom, are going to be decluttered. At that point, you can begin deep cleaning the bathroom. And when you're done with deep cleaning the bathroom, then you can start deep cleaning the other room, one at a time, one little job at a time, 4 little jobs a week, okay? And this is how your house stays clean as a whistle. but we have to get there first. And I said it on my live yesterday, but I'll repeat it again. I may have even said it yesterday in the morning, but Ernest Hemingway said that things happen slowly, and then all of a sudden they're fast. And that's just because it feels like it's slow. Something's happening every day, and then one day it's all happening so fast. So remember when your baby learned to walk and they pulled up and they cruised on things, and then one day they let go and they walked and tottered and fell, and the next day, and then before you know it, they're all over the place. You got to keep them off of things, right? It's like slowly, zoom. That's the way it's going to be in your house. It's going to be slowly, and then boom. And you're going to say, wow, that wasn't as bad as I thought. Okay? All right, so next thing we're going to do is 15 minutes zone work, and then we're going to, if you need to homeschool, that's when you're going to homeschool. Okay? If you need to do anything else, let's think about it. Now, we're not doing 15 minutes of zone work today. I don't know why I said that. It's free day, so yay, rally. 15 minutes of nothing. Go do your kids' homeschooling if you need to, and you get done 15 minutes early. And then we're going to have a hard stop for lunch, make lunch, do a clutter stop. Did I forget to say do a clutter stop this morning? Shame on me. Clutter stop in the morning, clutter stop at lunch, serve lunch, clean up lunch, and then go do the rest of your day. Whatever that entails. It's the things that you get to do, not the things that you have to do. Okay, you did the things you have to do yesterday, and you'll do them again tomorrow and the next day and the next day. But today is a free day, so you get to do things. And then we're going to have a hard stop for dinner. Let's call in payroll. Payroll, you're back. You did a clutter stop this morning before you went to work, even though I didn't remind you. And now we're going to do dinner. So let's prepare our meal. Let's serve our meal, let's eat our meal, let's clean up after the meal. That's the after dinner routine. It's got about 5 steps in it. Let's go over them real quick. Wipe the table, wipe the counter, sweep the floor, make sure all the dishes are in the dishwasher or are hand washed. Clean the stove and the pots and pans. The clean the stove and the pots and pans job is yours. Everything else can be delegated. You need to oversee it, so you stay in that room. Okay? All right. Now we are going to go get ourselves ready for bed. I know it's early, and I know the sun's shining, but you're tired. It's been a long day. So go and get in the shower if it's time for your shower. Maybe you take your shower in the morning. Go put on your pajamas, wash your face, moisturize your skin. Get all your makeup off first before you wash your face. Well, yeah, wash your face, get all your makeup on, put on your moisturizer. Okay, go lay out your clothes for tomorrow and take care of the clothes you wore today. All right, now we can bathe the baby or the smaller children. I say once your child is 5 years old, they can bathe themselves. Some of them are doing it at 4, and that's grand. Just keep an eye on them. And then bedtime for bonzos for all the kids. They're all going to bed except your big kids. Now you have your free time. Enjoy your free time. If you have little kids, also do another clutter stop right before bed just to make sure all their little toys are put away. Okay? Then at about 9:30, we're going to have a hard stop where you go in the kitchen and make sure there's soap in the dishwasher and it's running, or the last few dishes that have been used since dinner have been washed and put in the dish rack. Change the towel, wipe the sink, go in the bathroom, brush and floss. Do one more clutter stop. Did you leave anything out? Make sure that's taken care of. And then go get yourself in bed, cuddle up, and relax so that you can be asleep pretty soon. And have a great evening. So that's it for today. Remember again to do everything I tell you to do. Today wasn't a hard day. Tomorrow's going to be a little more hard because we're going to do our 15 minutes of working in the other room. And we're going to be working on what's Wednesday, planning and desk day tomorrow. But today was easier. Every day we're going to do something. Even if you're payroll, we're going to do something payroll. Some things it's just routines. Most days it's just routines for you. Saturday is your big day for doing your zone and your basic weekly plan. And Sunday is your planning and desk day, Sunday afternoon. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope that you remember, if you need it, pray. Pray for yourself. Pray for others. It changes things. And always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.